Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to create a new workflow for AI Agent and Google Sheet and for the Shopify. So let's get started. Click on create a workflow, and once it is loaded, we will choose the execution method. So the first step, we need to add on chat message. So whenever we send the chat message, our AI agent will respond accordingly. Next thing, we are going to attach the AI agent with this chat model. This is automatically connected with the chat trigger node. So now we need to add few more nodes over here. The first one is the chat model, which we are going to use. So there are different chat models like ChatGPT, ChatGPT, and AI model, Open AI chat model. So we can use that. From here, you need to connect your OpenAI account, and from the model, you can select the models. What models do you need? So I will be using GPT 4.1 dash mini model. Now my chat model is attached with my agent. Next thing, I'm going to attach the simple memory which I will use contact windows length 5. So I will leave that 5 as it is, and the next tool I'm going to attach is the Google Sheet. So in the Google Sheet, I will be getting I will be reading get rows. The operation will be get rows, and from the list I will choose YouTube n8n, and from the sheet I will use this data. So this is my Google Sheet class data, which I have over here, where I have 34 students, one row for the heading and 34 rows for the students. So now if I ask my agent to tell me how many students I have in the Google Sheet, it will give me the right answer. So I will open the chat. So let's try that. How many students in my Google Sheet? I send the question, and it will use the chat model and send the request to our Google Sheet and get the answer. So there are 34 students listed in your Google Sheet. So you can see we have 34 students. Total 35 rows, one for the heading, and 35 students. Okay, how many are male and how many female? So this time it will execute the query. Agent workflow will run, and it will use the open chat model and the simple memory and fetch the data from Google Sheet and give us. In your Google Sheet, there are 17 males and 17 females. Okay, this is how you can read the data. But what if you would like to add the data? So we need to attach a new row, new node over here. Similarly, Google Sheets. You will select Google Sheets, and this time operation will be append a row, and you will be choosing the same Google Sheet and same spreadsheet, and we have student name, gender. We will choose the model to decide whatever the data will be added over here. So now we can also attach the data. We can add the data in Google Sheet. Okay, can you please add a new student named Fayaz Ahmed and gender male, and what we have, class level senior, and so on. And you can use any dummy data. Okay, now it is adding the new student in our Google Sheet. Uh, and I have added a new student named Fayaz Ahmed with gender and the other. So if I go here, and you can see we have a new student over here, male, senior, California, computer science and cheese club. So this is how you can make the automation by using AI agent with your Google Sheet. Okay, what if you would like to fetch products from your store? So I will add another node over here and I will use Shopify. This time I'm using Shopify. I am already connected with my Shopify connection, and resources I will use the product and get many products. So now my Shopify is also connected with this one. I will say, can you please get first 5 products on my Shopify store and give me title. So this time it is making the query in my Shopify store and fetching the products from my store, and now I have first 5 products title over here. The first product is this, second one is this, third one is this, and so on. And similarly I can attach, let me open the store. So similarly I can add a new product into my store if I want. So I will connect Shopify again, and this time I will be adding a new product and title will be decided by the model. I will be creating a new product in my Shopify store. Okay, so if I go to the products, and you will see we have LED high strip, so and these are the products. If I go here, and can you please create a new product? Title would be n8n workflow test product into my Shopify store. And this time it will only use the exact node, and AI agent will decide which node I need to use. So it is using this create a product in Shopify. And if I go here and reload the page and check, we will have a new product over here, n8n workflow test product. So you can use AI agent for multi-purpose. You can do whatever you want. You can fetch the data from Shopify and you can add them into the Google Sheet. Likewise, you can fetch the data from Google Sheet and you can add products into your store. So this is very easy to make AI agent in n8n. I hope this video makes sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. I will be happy to answer them out. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.